we will create our guessing game step by step together. So now you know how does it work, and we will create it right now. So at first, it's a guessing game without OP. Perfect. I will import random because we need to choose a random name from some list. Okay, for example, a random name from the list of characters from Harry Potter. Here will be something like welcome message and game rules. Okay, so it will be some text, something like welcome to the Harry Potter character guessing game. Your task is and this will be about rules, so you can put here everything what you want. Okay, so I will leave it like this, and now I would like to generating a random word. Random word. Okay, so it means here will be words. I will call it words, but it's up to you. This you can name it as you wish, and here will be a list, and we already worked with a list, correct? So I will put here, for example, Harry, Ronald, Albus, and Hermione. Okay, perfect. I like it. So you can put there whatever you want. It doesn't have to be names of the characters from Harry Potter. You can store here more items if you want. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4. You can store here, for example, 10 items, 100. It's up to you guys. So, but I need to choose one of them at random. So I will create here random word. Okay, again, this name is up to you guys. Okay, and I need to choose one of them, and every time I will run the code, a different item will be choose. Okay, so it means of course it can be choose one of them for example 2 times. Of course it's possible. We have only 4 options, but you know what I mean. So I would like to put here words. So if I would like to choose a Harry, it means Harry is number 0. Okay, Ronald is number 1, Albus is number 2, and Hermione is number 3, because it goes like 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but I need to choose it at random, so it means I need to generate random number, but between 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and how does it go? So we will use the random, import random, which we can use here. So I will call it random. It's this random is this import, and maybe you remember from the previous videos that we have something like rand int, so it means integer. So create a random integer. Integer means whole number, and it will be between 0 and 3. Okay, so it can be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one of them. Correct. So now I would like to print random word, and we can check it if it works correctly. So I will run it, and you can see Ronald was chosen. Okay, run it. Albus was chosen. Again Albus. Okay, it's possible. Ronald again. Ronald again. Ronald again. What is going on? Hermione. Perfect. Ronald. I want a Harry. Oh, nice. Harry. Okay, so I hope you understand, guys. So maybe I will stay with the print here like this, and I will comment this out. Perfect. So that's everything what we needed for this video, and we will continue in the next video. And I will remind you guys that every code from every video you can find in textbook, and the link to the textbook is in the description of every video.